Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by aligning who these two Sims are. Pick complementary traits because opposites can repel. Once done, boost both social meters above 80% so conversations land better. Low needs sabotage rapport. Next, prepare the scene, romantic lot, soft lighting, candles, and music around 60 to 70%. This primes moodlets. You want immediate positive responses to early actions, so make sure both Sims are rested and happy. Start with light, friendly interactions to open the emotional pathway. You now move into deliberate escalation. Alternate friendly comments with subtle flirty lines because rapid escalation risks rejection. Once done, introduce small romantic actions, compliments, meaningful gifts, and shared activities to increase intimacy and positive moodlets. These create lasting relationship points. Make sure to balance group socializing with 3 or more private, uninterrupted interactions so chemistry can develop. Monitor relationship bars and adjust pace. Pause escalation if either Sim shows avoidance, then return with light, friendly actions. You finish by moving toward commitment. Only attempt a first kiss when the romance bar is over 50% and both Sims have positive moodlets. Once consistent chemistry appears, schedule a date event and use confess love or similar actions when romance nears 75%. This secures deeper relationship flags. If rejection happens, stay calm, clear adverse moodlets, bring needs back to safe levels, and wait one in-game day before reattempting. That reset often fixes timing and emotional friction.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.